there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
After a day that started in the high-altitude midst of Dojala Pass and took us through the thunderbolt of wisdom and a spicy festival of flavors, we were more than ready for a rest. We checked into the Meri Puensum Resort, a lovely retreat perched on a hillside overlooking the lush Punakha Valley. It's the kind of place where the silence of the mountains really settles in. Here's a quick look at our room and the view we'll be waking up to tomorrow morning. What do you think?
Check out the amazing view.
First, let's check out the room. So, yeah, you come in. We have a place to hang stuff. We have this beautiful big bed, a place to relax and watch TV if we want to, which we never turn on the TV, so plenty of space over here. And then we have this amazing view from our balcony. Look at this. This is fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful. I cannot believe how well we have been taken care of. I am so appreciative.
It's just, I'm running out. I'm not much for words anyway, but I'm running out of them.
I am too. I keep saying the same things again and again.
Phenomenal, amazing, stupid,
beautiful. All of them. So it's March 8th.
March 8th.
Happy Women's Day.
Yes, Fiesta del Donna.
Fiesta del Donna. And yeah. Okay, so let's look at the rest of the room because, you know, I could get lost in that view. Next to the bed, we've got plugs on each side, which is fantastic because, you know, all of our electronics. And more plugs over here, but I think they're mostly in use for the TV and all of that. Another plug here. And then we have the bathroom. The bathroom is huge. Huge bathroom, shower. There's toiletries in there. Sink, toilet. More than one could ask for. Truly more than I could ask for. I can't get over all of this. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Well, we're going to relax now because we've been going for 8 hours or more. So we've got a great place to relax. So let's do it. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.